Welcome aboard Bridge Cable. Thanks very much. Had several versions of this video. People say not to produce it, people say not to put it online. But I want to talk about lunches with Bridge Cable and end of shift. I'll try to be short. We do not work through our lunches. Currently, right now, we have a paid lunch, which is around 55 minutes. Work a little bit, you get a glorious lunch. I've been a technician. It's enough time to go to a fast food place, Wawa, whatever the case may be. But there's an important purpose of lunch. Man, a good technician, one of the best technicians, he was shoulder to shoulder with me, Dwight. We were working a job in Center City and we had a set price, set schedule, and we were like, yeah, we got this. We're going to work through our lunch. We're just going to get it all done. Around 2 o'clock, we got smooth sailing. We could get out and boogie with my fancy hair and just leave the job. All done the job around 2 o'clock. We're a little tired. The customer said, hey, can you run four more cables? Uh, Now, of course, we wanted the extra work, but the point of the story is we didn't take time to recharge, so it took us twice as long to do the job. So we're not going to be working through our lunches. Now, is that just because we're soft? No, it's respect. Now, a lot of times in the past, there's been a couple people on board, they just play games and they say, well, I'm going to take a little bit of a light lunch, but then I'm just going to use my lunchtime um, and just tell Paul that I worked through my lunch and I'm just going to drive home during my lunchtime. That's not honorable as well. Sometimes those things happen, but a lot of times over the years, I've seen a pattern of people abuse that. They take 20 minutes for the lunch, but then they tell me that they're actually driving. So we're not working through lunch. It's a pleasure to eat whatever your wife, partner, whoever has made for you, or if you want to abuse your body like me, fast food. The second thing, end of shift, we have lead technicians. Um, it really needs to be worked on a little bit more. Our lead technician does not need to sit around for a half an hour every single end of shift and do paperwork. It usually takes our lead guy maybe about 15 minutes. It's the pictures that we show you and everything like that. But one thing that if you're under a lead, you're not sitting in the van, you're not doing paperwork as well. You want to clean up the site. One of these sites that I was on the other day, I know where my guys were because I saw punch down the scraps of cable, I saw wire ties, I saw our bucket of string, bits of strings. Walk around the site and clean up. Take the ladders out and stuff like that. And I'm really going to sit down with our lead technicians. And if they're 8 to 4, all work does not stop at 3:30. Come on. You have to be a good leader and say, hey, so and so, do this, do this, do that. But there's always something to do. If there's job boxes, so many times people are doing leaving trash in there. So to be crystal clear, end of shift, we don't stop 30 minutes, end of shift. There's always something to do. If you don't see cleanup, you can get a jump on different things. If you're completely done, check with your lead, clock out for the day. But I don't like to leave people behind unless that guy is totally, your lead is totally good to go. And he says, yo, Paul, you're a good looking guy. Go ahead and go. Again, to clarify, lunch is paid, not skipping it, not using it end of shift, playing games, and end of shift. Let's reduce the amount of time we have paperwork and always be cleaning up. I'm seeing too many new hires just think that they can just walk around for a half an hour on their cell phone. So, um, welcome aboard Bridge Cable. It's a beautiful company, along with many people on my journey. I'm very proud of Bridge Cable, proud of the projects that we do, and I'm proud of the future that we have. And this is that. This is an awesome business to be in. I knew nothing, and now I know something, and it's such an exciting career. Come to work, be excited to learn. If you're in your 20s, by the time you're 40, you're going to be like the Wizard of Oz. So, welcome aboard. Thanks again.